Did you know that pride, shame, and guilt are among the last emotions to develop? Did you know that conflicts with siblings or playmates can actually help toddlers learn how to negotiate and resolve disputes? Did you know the impact of parental employment on early child care is much less effective than family characteristics, such as a mother and her sensitivity to her child? In Chapter 7, we will chase the characteristics and the shift from dependence of infancy to independence of childhood. We will explore foundations of psychosocial development, emotions, temperament, and early experiences with parents. We will consider Erickson's views about the development of trust and autonomy. We will look at relationships with caregivers and the emergent sense of self and the foundations of conscious. We will explore the relationships of siblings and other children. And finally, we will consider the increasingly wide impact of parental employment and childcare. Your tasks for Week 8 include reading Chapter 7 of our textbook, review the PowerPoints, as well as any additional information such as videos and informative websites. Post your original thread for your discussion, which is located in Module 8, no later than Wednesday, 11:59 p.m., and then you need to respond to 2 of your peers no later than Friday, 11:59 p.m. All directions are actually in the module. You also need to complete your KWL on Chapter 7 and submit your quiz by Friday, 11:59 p.m. Heads up, next week is our midterm. This exam will cover Chapters 1 through 7 of your textbook, plus lectures, and also has a combination of true and false, matching, and multiple choice questions. You will have 90 minutes in class to complete the exam. Make sure to bring a device to take this exam on. Have a great week and look forward to seeing you Wednesday, October 23rd.